Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest.
Hi.
And this is just our intro video for a brand new series that I thought of. And the series is, as you probably can tell from the title, How to Make a Movie. So this is going to be...
You didn't introduce me.
Oh, yeah. This is Davis from Dizwiz.
I am his brother, and check out my channel. It'll be in the link below.
Maybe.
Hopefully. Dizwiz.
So this is going to be an 11-part series, and we are going to learn to make movies. So we're going to go through every single step along the way to make movies. Now, the different groups of steps. It's pre-production, which is making scripts and making the idea. Production, which is filming. And then post-production, which is editing it together, adding music, that kind of thing. And then distribution. So those are like the 4 steps. And there's a lot of jobs that you will need on your set if you want to make a good movie. Some people can be more than one job, like an actor could also be an editor, like we normally do. I mean, we have 2 people. Sometimes with Fat Rat Productions, we have 4. Also down below. That one would definitely be down below.
Yeah.
So we definitely are other things because we only have 4 people doing it. So like I'm the editor, I'm the director, I'm video.
He's sometimes an actor.
Sometimes an actor, but I'm normally just videoing. Yeah. But so that's. So, you can have multiple people doing multiple jobs, but the jobs are the director. He makes sure everything's running smoothly. He directs people, so make sure they're acting good, and he makes the movie, shapes the movie how he wants it to look. And then, of course, the producer, who pays all the money and makes sure everything's running smoothly money-wise with the film, so depending on what your budget is. Actors, which act out the scene, like mainly Davis.
Yes, and then our other 2 friends in Fat Rat Productions. Check out the link down
And then
below.
there's a costume designer who designs the costumes, or in our case, picks out costumes, or in our case, nothing, because we just wear whatever we have on. The gopher, and what the gopher does is if everyone wants a coffee, the gopher will run to Starbucks, grab a coffee, and bring it back. So they just do like errands for, you don't really need it, but that's like on a professional set. Gophers do errands for all the actors and basically everybody else on set. The next thing is a set scout or set locator, and what they do is they go around the area, or if you have the budget, around the world, and try and find sets to film your movie once you have it written. Another thing is the writer. These people write the scripts. There's normally more than one. And then you have a storyboarder who makes the storyboard. Casting like group of people. And what they do is they run the auditions, and they hire the right actors. The prop master, and they keep track of all the props, and they make sure that everything's in the right place, and they make sure they have all the props. The assistant director is mainly just like the director's assistant, which is normally Davis.
Yes. An assistant director, if the director is doing anything, then they get the actors.
It's basically like a gopher, but for a director,
yes,
pretty much.
Basically.
The editor, which takes all the videos, but Davis can edit too.
Yeah,
takes all the videos,
put
it into a professional editor, and edits it all up. Composer, who composes the music for the movie. If there's music, I highly suggest there's music. We'll talk about that later. You want to pick your camera before you start filming.
Now, the camera we're using, we just got the other day.
Yeah, we got yesterday.
And it comes with a microphone that you can put on top. I highly recommend a microphone, like a boom stick.
Let me show you.
Sometimes.
This one right here is what our microphone looks like. And it attaches onto our camera via a cord. That's right here. And that's how we use our microphone. Phones these days, phones are amazing quality.
True.
Like the iPhone 8 and up, and then like the newer Samsung phones. They're amazing quality, and they are just what you want. Now, before we get into more videos in the series, I just want to talk about this book right here. This book, not sponsored by the way, is Making YouTube Videos for Dummies.
It helped us start our channel.
And more making movies. It's not really just YouTube videos, it's also making movies. This is a great place to start, and we're gonna go a little bit more in depth, but this is a great place to start. So check out. We learned
all our stuff from mostly this book.
Pretty much, yep. So that's that, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.